What are you doing here? And will you stop calling me a young lady? You know I don't like calling other names. Call me Dad Apping or something.
I don't care. I'm going to make you snore like a number block 52 in Tokyo.
Seriously? You just want me snore like number block 52. You know I don't want to get recorded by boys.
Well, it's snoring time. Sleep tight.
Mm.